We like the machine because it's fast, powerful, and it's really accurate as well.
We've popped in to see the guys from CTPE Limited. Now, massive fans of Whitehouse machine tools, and this is your latest acquisition, the AVEREX HS450i.
Correct.
I'm going to say straight away, well, one thing, we've been coming here quite a while now, always welcome I know, but you had a change in the dynamic of the business?
Yeah, definitely. We started to get busier and making more complex parts in higher volume, so we needed to change our machines to suit those.
And hence these banker machines, your brothers, especially the AVEREX as well. I'm thinking though you get a lot for the money you're paying.
Definitely. It's a very high spec machine, very well built, hand built machine to real high standards.
And very cost effective as well.
Very cost effective package.
In terms of things like tooling, how many tools does it hold?
So we've got 80 tools at the moment. We can expand that in the future though if we need to.
Right, so it's a modular machine as such then?
Correct, yeah. So you can expand the tool changer and also you can expand the number of pallets from 2 to 6.
Now looking in the envelope itself, huge envelope. What size is it?
Yeah, so we've got 500mm pallets fitted at the moment, but it also accepts 400mm pallets as well, and you can mix and match the two.
Okay, and then in terms of height?
Yeah, we can go up to 1 metre height from the pallet.
And then industries you're working in, are you doing hard materials, tricky components?
Mainly we're doing aluminium most of the time due to the fields that we work in. But yeah, the complexity, so we're using the 4th axis on here, we're using the rotary table, so we're hitting more than multiple sides of the part in one go.
You mentioned you're mainly cutting aluminium, but the spindle itself, it's really powerful and fast.
It is, yeah. So we've got a 15,000 RPM BBT 40 spindle with a peak power of 37 kilowatts. It's a really good machine for roughing, regardless of the material.
Alex, I want to go back to suppliers. So Whitehouse Machine Tools and AVEREX machine, but they just specialise in horizontals, is that correct?
That is, yeah. They're a specialist builder. They only manufacture horizontal machining centres.
So you've got that comfort, they know exactly,
yeah,
what they're doing.
They're specialists, they're experts at it. That's all they do. They don't make VMCs or lathes.
And looking around the machine shop, I think big fans of the FANUC controls?
Yeah, we are, yeah. Yeah, we like the simplicity and, just, you know what you're going to get with a FANUC. It does the job and they're easy to use.
It does what it says on the packet, nice and
correct.
Simple. Okay. Alex, great overview of the machine and then tying in with CTPE, the dynamic of your business and just to summarise where that's changing.
Yeah, so we're doing more complex parts in higher volumes, running 24/7 unmanned.
Perfect machine for that then, thank you very much.